GA President Jarlath Burns has led tributes to former Donegal All-Ireland winning football star James McHugh, who died in a road traffic collision in County Cavan yesterday afternoon. He was a member of the 1992 team that claimed the Sam Maguire for Donegal for the first time. His wife, who was also injured in the crash, was airlifted to Beaumont Hospital for treatment.
James McHugh.
When Donegal won Sam Maguire for the first time in 1992, James McHugh played a starring role alongside his brother Martin. During his career, he won an All-Star, 2 Ulster titles, an All-Ireland and a Railway Cup. His death in a road traffic collision in Cavan yesterday, an accident in which his wife Noreen was also seriously injured and taken to Beaumont Hospital for treatment, has left a deep sense of sadness and shock in the northwest.
There's a dark cloud over Donegal today, and I know James McHugh and the McHugh family a long time, and I played against James, I worked with James, I played with him, and he was also a selector of mine in the mid-90s and that, and so we go back a long way. He was a great guy in every way, very loyal to his club, very proud of his club, and proud of his heritage and his language.
At club level, James McHugh won 3 county championships and 4 national Gaeltacht titles with Cill Chartha.
Within his own club, he'll be remembered as somebody who drove the club to great success as well, winning county titles with them. But for his family and his own community, he'll be remembered as a family man, somebody who gave so much to his community.
Well, he'll first of all be remembered as a family man, a modest man, and a man who, without a shadow of a doubt, wore Kilcar in his heart as well as Donegal.
In a statement, the Cill Chartha club said they are devastated at the tragic passing of one of their own, and added their thoughts and prayers are with the McHugh and O'Donnell families at this time. From Cill Chartha to Croke Park, James McHugh has left a legacy that will not be forgotten in the northwest or beyond. Shane O'Curran, RTE News, Cill Chartha, County Donegal.